Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. I am here with a haul, and this haul will be up late because my computer crashed. So I'm just saying that I know these items are already out, but just in case you hadn't seen some of them, that you can see them. And most of these have been posted on my IG account, which is DaretoBeCreative1. I usually try to post those there before I get the videos up. And my computer broke, videos down. Just not having the time. I'm traveling and stuff, so I don't have the time to actually get everything up and to get my computers waiting for it to come back. Gotta order a new one, a whole bunch of stuff. So by the time this is posted, it will be late. So having said that, I'm gonna just jump right in and just show you what I got. This is the punch board by We Are Memory Keepers, and this is the emoji punch board. It was $11.99. 217-8166, and of course you can punch several different faces. With that, debating whether or not I'm gonna keep this, so it may be gone back by the time you see this video. I just picked it up because it was only one when I got it, and then they got some in the next following week. But anyway, so debating on it. But anyway, that's some of the faces that you can make. But you know, I'm a sucker for little gadgets and every kind of punch board they make. I love them. I don't know what's the problem. And then the rest of this is all Jane Hadfield. Like, I did not go crazy on the papers. I did post the papers. They were like, I think 6 or 7 of her papers in the 6x6 and the 12x12 and the chipboards. I only saw maybe 3 or 4 designs in the chipboard. But yeah, I think 3 different designs in the chipboard, and then several, I think it was maybe 4 or 5 of the wood pieces, which I think I got all the wood pieces, tags and ephemera. So I'm just jump right in and show you what I got. So this was the only book of tags that I saw. This goes along with the Along the Way paper collection with that little girl on it. So this is 36-piece tag, and it is $1 and $2.99, and it is, these are a 2.5, about 4 1/4 basically. Somebody's alarm going off. But anyway, these are the designs. Quick tags. They had tons of ephemera, like I said, and wood veneers and stickers and puffy stickers and everything they had. So in my other video, you would see all the stamps that I got too. And these are the wood veneers, 4 to 6 piece. This is for the Simple Life, $2.99, 213-7490. What I can see in here are flowers, ampersands, bird cages, water pots. What do you call them? Water sprinkler things. Water your flowers. So that's the designs that I can see that are in here. And this one is the Warm and Cozy. And again, all these paper lines are in the store. Simple Life, Warm and Cozy. It's 213-7491. Again, I posted it previously on my IG. So you have the deer head, antler, the books. And you have the Canadian maple leaf. You have another flower. And I think that's the 3 designs that are in there. Of course, this is probably everybody's favorite right here. This is only 21 piece, but this goes with Along the Way, 213-7417, which actually I think I already purchased this previously, which I did a couple of months ago when it was out. But I decided to get another one anyway. I just like the little girl pieces, and then the wreaths and the houses as well. And these is bigger. These are bigger pieces. They're printed on. So this one goes with My Bright Life, 213-7487. I'm sorry, I didn't read this one. This is 213-7417. And like I said, and this one is 48. So in this one you have hearts, you have some flowers, and some butterflies. That's what you have in here. And sorry about that glare, they're still in there. I haven't taken them out yet because I want to put them in the packages. I thought it was another one, but maybe that's it on the wood veneers. There were tons of ephemera packs, tons of them to go with the paper line. This goes with the Warm and Cozy for $1.99, 213-7453, and you have your winter type theme. You've got your fox and your wellies, and you know, the deer heads and stuff like that. And they have the stamp set to go with that as well too. And this is my Bright Life. And so you've got your kitchen items right here, and you've got your embroidery circle and tabs and tags. A very pretty collection as well. And of course you've got a stamp set to go with that. And that is 213-7431. And then this one is again along the way. And that is 213-7416. And this you have your silhouette and some banners and some tags and some reflex sentiments. The wreaths may be shaped like hearts and different stuff. Then this one is along the way too as well. 213-7419. This is a different one. This has the girls and the flower pot heads and florals. And this is the heart of the home, and it is 213-7439. So these are a lot of gold foiled ones here as well. And I'm telling you, the papers are out. They're pretty. And I had got, when I got the first set of this a while back, I got the patio paper already. And I think I might have gotten one of the other sets when they had it out earlier on paper pads. This one is, it just says ephemera. I think this is the Bright Life, but I'm not sure. And this one is 213-7410, as you can see here. So some of those is gold and foiled as well. And then you got your Bright Life again. So these are a sticker pad, very colorful stickers, and these are clear. And this is 213-7430, and it's 99. Guess I just couldn't make it to 100. Stickers up here. And then I got 3 of these. So this is my Bright Life. These accent stickers, 213-7427. So these are basically the same, but these are clear, these are white, and these are larger. Now, one of the things that you notice about her collection is one of the primary colors is brown. You see a lot of brown and a lot of gold foiling. And so I have a lot of paper pads, like the thick ones, 180 sheets, that have these same colors in them. So I did not go crazy on the paper because I said I need to use some of that up. So I did not get a lot of her paper pads, although very, very tempting. Like I said, I have the patio one. And I think I have one other. So I only got one pad today, which I'll show you in just a second. And this is along the way. Oh, I do have along the way too. Yeah, that's the one I have. 213-7412. And then last but not least, this is the Heart of the Home sticker set. And it's 47 in this piece, and it's 213-7437. You got your nest, you got some silhouettes, you got a home. It says happy home or your family. And I actually have a paper pad collection that I got from Michael's when they were closing out and building one by my house that matched these colors, and it's all about family. So I thought I would use that with that. So I was trying to not buy so much, but I did end up getting the 6x6 versus the 12x12, which I probably should have got the 12x12, but my Bright Life, 213-7425, and it's $2.99, and this is gold foiled. And then bring my, let's see if I can cut this open. Sorry, I should have had this ahead of time, wasn't thinking. But like I said, if you like her stuff, you will like the papers are pretty. A lot of brown is in most of them, so I am going to use some of these accents on other papers to use up. But anyway, this is that paper collection. Got your cutter parts. Oops. Tags. I love these right here. And of course it repeats. But like I said, if you want some of the paper pads, go check them out. There are tons of them. I did only get 2 of these. And they have one that's full of the florals, which I did not get. But the prices are $3 now. They used to be $1.99, then it went to $2.19, now they're $2.99. And actually some of them now are $3.29. So they are steadily gone up on the chipboard stickers as they've come in. So they're still about 50% off, because they're normally like $6.49 on most of them. But now, like I said, I've seen some, the latest ones are $3.29, although this batch in September when some were $2.99, but I saw some in August with $3.29. They were the Maggie Home ones. So just about your prices. Anyway, this is the My Bright Life, which goes along with the stickers and the stuff I just showed you, for $2.99, 213-7481. So make sure you dig through. If you see multiple of the same thing, dig through, because some of the prices are different. Just like when we have memory keepers items, they have the old ones and the new ones, and they may have different prices on them. Or and always check the clearance aisle, because I noticed that some of the We Have Memory Keeper items may be higher priced now and lower priced on the clearance aisle, and then you can get additional off on the clearance aisle. So if you check, you might be able to find one that way and really save you some money. And then this one is Warm and Cozy, 213-7484, which I thought was really cute, and I got the stamp set, but I didn't feel like I want to get the paper, although the paper is really nice and masculine. I'm really debating on that paper. It's really a nice masculine collection. I love the colors. They're really warm and rich colors. So anyway, that's that. And so if you're looking for some of her items, this is the time. Of course, by the time this is up, they may already be gone. But just wanted to share that with you. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.